Sir, where is Colonel Mongao right now?
Okay, at around 9:30 this evening, Colonel Mongao voluntarily turned himself in, and just at the right time because malapit na kasi ma-terminate yung kanyang break, kanyang New Year's break. So he voluntarily surrendered himself, turned himself in, and we had a lot to talk about this evening, and he is fully cooperating with us.
What sanctions will he have to suffer for what he did?
That is something that will be determined after we have completed the investigation. Ano? So there are a lot of things that we wanted to determine. What we saw was the post that, what he posted on social media last night. And syempre, we want to know the predicators of why he posted that. Ano? So, and try to see what are the other factors that led him to do what he did. Ano? So this will just come out later on during the investigation. Right now, we've talked to him, and we advise him to get some rest. According sa kanya, wala siyang tulog for the past 3 days. So we'll give him his mandatory checkup, medical checkup, and after that we will tomorrow morning we will continue with the investigation.
But General, he admits that he did indeed make that post.
Yes, and that this is serious. Make no mistake, this is a serious departure from military discipline, and this is as bad as you can think about it. Pero the mitigating thing here is that he voluntarily submitted himself back to military control, and he is fully cooperating with all of us. So yun ang importante. But make no mistake, we will continue with the investigation as impartial as we can take it, and we intend to get to the bottom of this on why he did what he did.